So we are going to look at recursive chunking. So this is similar to fixed size chunking, but it will not abruptly stop at those chunk sizes. It will do extra work to find some delimiters to stop the chunk. So chunk size will be approximately our fixed chunk size that we specify. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So let's look at the code sample. So this is Agno Cookbook, Agent Concepts, Knowledge Chunking, and we are looking at recursive chunking. Now all we need to do is to include the recursive chunking module from Agno and then change this method, chunking strategy. That is it. So first let's see how we can run this in the command line. The code that you need to run this is given in the description. You just need to git clone, cd into Agno, agent knowledge chunking, 004 recursive chunking. There you will find few files. All you need to do first is to look at the env example and put your API keys for the model that you are using and rename the file as .env. I have placed my API keys in this .env file. And this Docker Compose is the file that runs different services. So first what you need to do is to Docker Compose build. Okay, so after that, you need to up the PG vector database as a background service. Okay, then let's also run the adminer. This adminer will help us look at the vector database. Okay, and then we can now run our Python application, run app. This run app will run the Python application app.py. So it is reading the PDF, which is Thai recipes PDF, and converting them into chunks using the recursive strategy. Okay, so now it is querying the knowledge base. When we say querying the knowledge base, what it does is it will first convert the query how to make Thai curry also into an embedding, which is a vector. Then find the closest similar chunks from the database. And then it sends the chunks and the query to large language model. So large language model, we are not sending the vectors. We are only sending plain text of these chunks and the query. Here we have the response. And how do we run the Streamlit application? Docker Compose up app-st. Let's refresh this page. So it's loading the chunks and it is ready. And now here, how to prepare sticky mango rice. So it is querying the knowledge exactly like the command line application. Only thing is we made it into a presentable web application so that you can present this to your AI clients. So now the additional thing that we have done is we have provided the mechanism to look at the vector database. Database is AI, username is AI, password is AI. That is specified in the Docker Compose. Okay, database username password. That is the vector database, PostgreSQL, PG vector, AI. Okay, recursive chunking. Let's select the data. Now here we have the chunks. Okay, so if you look at the chunk size, select length, content field has the chunks. You will notice that the sizes differ. Okay, in fixed size, these sizes will be more uniform. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you have any questions, please come via the comment section, and thank you for your time. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.